The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.
Welcome back to Bloom. The reason so many people find out about major health problems and disease late in the game is because they're stuck waiting in a healthcare system that leaves a lot of people falling through the cracks and not getting the help and support they need when they need it. That's why there is a major movement in this country towards concierge medicine. Joining me now with the power of concierge medicine is age management specialist Tami Oberbroecking and nurse practitioner Lindsey Carroll from Tampa Bay Total Wellness. Ladies, it's great to see you both.
You too, Gail.
Thank you.
Yes.
Well, I love this new movement in this country of concierge medicine. A lot of people think maybe it's cost prohibitive, but it's not, and it gives you direct access to the health care you need.
Yes. So it gives you not only direct access, but more of a personalized approach to your health care. So one-on-one with a provider, however amount of time you need to have your health care covered.
So how is this approach more proactive, would you say?
So most of medicine, unfortunately, is reactive. So we see the doctor when we're sick, and then we seek treatment when we're sick. Our approach is treating disease before it happens, or how do we live a lifestyle where we prevent disease and don't need to treat disease in the long run. And that's where concierge medicine has found its niche.
Yeah, it's really incredible. So how is the more personal approach beneficial for the patient from the patient perspective?
So when it comes to the patients, unlike traditional medicine, you get that one-on-one approach. You get, instead of the 15 to 20 minute time frames, we give you the 45 minutes to an hour. However long you need to really get to know your patient, get a full diagnosis, and get a really thorough treatment plan for them.
Which is something, you know, that you did for me. I was having all these thyroid issues, and then you realized, and I've been dealing with this for years, that I needed a compounded approach, which is something I didn't even know was available, and it made a world of difference.
And unlike many others like you get 15 minutes with a doctor, so how do you cover everything that's going on? But if somebody's willing to step back and look at you as a whole and set up a plan that's going to keep you there, then you get the results we're all looking for.
And then tell us more about the membership model. How does that work?
So membership model, it's not in place of your insurance. We all still have our insurance for catastrophic things or hospital visits. The membership is you pay a small monthly fee to assure that you have access to that provider. So the provider will limit themselves to a certain number of people in the membership that will take care of all of their needs. So the membership model is just a small monthly fee to guarantee that you have that 24/7 access to a provider.
Which is great, because in the nursing profession, you must see, I mean, when people need their care, they need their care. They don't want to be waiting in the coffers to get in to see someone.
Correct.
Exactly.
And
we'll see them within 24 hours.
And you even text and communicate, call your patients. It's
24/7 access, and we're there.
They have access to our personal cell phones, so if they need anything, and sometimes it's as minor as, I need a work note. My child needs a physical for school. We do student memberships as well. Or I am feeling like I'm under the weather. Can you see me quickly because I might have the cold or something? And so we usually see them quickly and get them on the right treatment plan.
That's really incredible. Well, I appreciate you both kind of coming on Bloom, sharing with our viewers how it works. We're really lucky to have you here in town.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
And if you would like more information and pricing, call 813-609-4150 or go to tampabaytotalwellness.com. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.